You're welcome to Blendora Fashion Line. I am Blessing Banjo. Thank you so much for tuning in. In case you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel for wholesome, simple, easy to understand, and very detailed sewing tutorial. In today's video, we'll be learning how to read a tape measure correctly. We'll be learning how to read a tape measure correctly. And I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step process, and I want you to follow me along. So I have a diagram here. And this diagram is exactly what we have on our tape measure. From this place, from here, this edge here to this place is 1 inch. From here, this is 0 inch to this place is 1 inch. So exactly what I have here is here. So here is 0 inch, and here to this place is 1 inch. So we have 0 and we have 1 inch. I hope you got that. So from this 1 inch again to this 2 inch is also 1 inch. I hope you understand. From this 2 to 3 is also 1 inch. So is exactly what we have here. Exactly what I decided to just draw this out. So from this 2 to 3, exactly what we have here is the same thing here. 4 to 5 also, exactly what we have from 4 to 5 is the same thing here. So it's actually 1 inch. So 4 to 5 is 1 inch, 3 to 4, 1 inch, 2 to 3, 1 inch. Now, after I've been able to establish this, I also want you to know that we have 8 bars. There are 8 bars. Let's count it. Year to year, year to year, that's 2. From this 0 to this bar is 1. From this bar to this bar is 2. From this bar to this bar, 3. From this bar to this bar, we have 4. This one to this place, 5. This place to this place, 6. This bar to this bar, 7. And this bar to this bar, 8. So we have 8 bars. I hope you understand. Now, is exactly what we have here. From here, we have, can we count it together also on the measuring tape? From here to here, we have 1. From here to here, we have 2. We have 3. We have 4. We have 5. We have 6. We have 7. We have 8. It's also the same thing here. We have here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. So we have 8 bars. After I've been able to establish that, then since we have 8 bars, that's, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then just let me write this here, 8. So since we have 8 bars here, it means that that's 1 over 8. So that will be 1 over 8, 2 over 8. Do you understand? 3 over 8, 4 over 8, 5 over 8, 6 over 8, 7 over 8, and then 8 over 8. I hope you are following me. So since we have 2 over 8, 3 over 8, 4 over 8. So now, remember in mathematics, you have to round it up to the closest. So since this is 2 over 8, now if you round it up, that will be 1 over 4. 1 over 4. So this will be 1 over 4. So let me write it. 1 over 4. I hope you're following me now. So it means from here to here is 1/4, 1/4. Also, this 4/8, if we decide to do little mathematics, sorry, it's actually very little mathematics. 4 will be 1/2. I hope you're following me. It will be 1/2. So 6/8 will be 3/4. I hope you're following. And 8/8 will be 1. And this is the 1 here. So let me go through it again. We have 2/8. And then we decide to use mathematics, or 2 and 8, that will be 1/4. 4/8, using mathematics now, that will be 1/2. 6/8 will be 3/4. And 8/8 will be 1. So that's how we arrived at 1. I hope you are following me. So you can see that it's actually as simple as that. Now let me go back to our measuring tape. From this place to here, it is actually 1/8 to the first bar. Then from here to here is 1/4. Then from here to here is 3/8. And then from here is half. And then here is 5/8. And here also, the sixth bar is 3/4 of an inch. And then we have 7/8. And then we have 1 inch. So you can see that this is actually as simple as that. So, but I want us to go into the decimal part now. The decimal part. We use decimal a lot in fashion designing. So let's go to the decimal part. So 1 divided by 8. 1 divided by 8 is 0.125. So 1/8 equals 0.125. 1/4 of an inch. So 1/4 of an inch equals 0.25. Then 3/8. 3/8 equals 0.375. Then half of an inch. Half is 0.5. Then 5/8 equals 0.625. Then 3/4 of an inch equals 0.75. Then 7/8 equals 0.875. And then 8/8 is 1. Now let's do some exercises. In case you're trying to make, especially when you are working with flare, sometimes flare has to do with a lot of decimal points, or you divide something and then you have 12. Let's do 12.75. So 12.75 exercise. Now exercise, in case you have something and you have to look for 12.75. So 12.75 now on the measuring tape, that's 12. So since you know that 0.75 is 3/4 of an inch, and where's 3/4? You can see 3/4 is on the 6th bar. Is on the 6th bar. You can actually count it. That's, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6/8. And then if you round it up, we have 3/4. So, and 3/4 is 0.75. So 12.75 will be this place. So this is 12.75. Did you see that is, see, this is 12.75. Then let's do one more exercise. Okay, so for the second exercise now, let's search for 40.06. So to get, let me write it down, 40. You know, sometimes when you're dealing with these decimal points, they can be confusing, especially when you see 40.06. It can be really confusing, but you do not worry. See, since I've taught you, what you can just do is bring out your calculator, and then you know that 1/8 is 0.125. So you know 0.06 will be 0.125 again divided by 2. So that's 0.06. Since 0.125 divided by 2 is 0.06, then you know that 0.06 will be in between 40, this 0 bar, this 40, this bar here, and the first bar. So 40.06 will be here. Now I'm trying to fold my measuring tape so you can see what I'm saying. So this is this white thing here. I folded my measuring tape. Is 40.06. I hope you understand me. You can see the white thing dividing the 40 and the first bar. So that's 40.06. So that will be all in today's tutorial, how to understand a tape measure perfectly. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly ask me questions in the comment section. I would advise that you practice on your own also. Just play with numbers, practice, and feel free to ask me questions in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.